Hello my loves, welcome to another video of mine. I feel like Nikki tutorials. Hello guys, welcome. Hello, this is Nikki, but this is Addy. Welcome. As you might notice, I'm speaking in English. That's because on this video I have this challenge where I only have to speak English whatever happens. English is not my first language, as you might notice. It's my second language. Spanish is my first language. I'm making a video of this look. If you like it, continue watching so you can see how I did it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So I already have my toner and my hydrating cream. After that, I'm going to use this Correct and Perfect Face Compact from Artistry Tokyo. And so I'm going to use the green color, which is for all the things that we don't want anybody to notice. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. You know how I do them already. I'm not gonna show it though here on this video, so I'll be right back. I already did my eyebrows and I put a little bit of the lilac color of the Correct and Perfect Face Compact, this one, so I could give it a little bit more of shape. And now that everything has sit on my skin, I'm going to continue with my foundation. I use these two. These are from Artistry Exact Fit, and these are the Soleil and Golden colors. I don't know if you can see that, but there you have. After I mix that, I'm going to use this sponge, and then I just start putting my foundation on. Okay guys, my foundation is ready to go, and now I'm going to continue with my eyes. And before I do my eyes, I want to use a pressed butter, and I'm gonna put it here. Oh, this is really cool. So I want to get like an orange shade just for the base of the eye, and I'm not sure I have one. What? Okay, I think I found it. I'm gonna be using this one from the palette Artistry Studio Van Gogh edition, the Golden Realm one. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this color and just put it here on the outside of my crease. I really want to concentrate the color right here, so I'm gonna take just a little bit more and put it here, and then take it to the front. Ooh, I like it. Can you guys see like anything or not? Does it make a difference? I'm gonna take a brush that is a little bit smaller, like this one. Can you see it? Well, and I'm gonna take this Artistry Studio New York edition palette, the Midtown Medium, and I'm gonna take this color. And this has like a big pigmentation, so you don't want to take too much. We're just gonna add a little bit, and then little by little until we get the color that we want. Just gonna blend the edges a little bit more with the same brush that we had before, taking the orange color. And there we have. Now I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay my loves, I don't know if I forgot to tell you that we had to bring the color down here. I'm not sure if I said it or not, but this is what you want to have on your eyes, the color here. So now we're gonna make a cut crease. We're gonna take a concealer. I'm gonna take this one, which is the Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer. I'm going to put a little bit of the concealer on the brush like this, and I'm going to put it near my eyelashes. Duh. And so we can do that. We look up and then look down and we see where the mark went, and now we can follow that path. What we are going to do are going to take a little bit more of concealer and start. And after we have something like this, we just have to blend it a little bit with our fingers, so we can have something like this. Another brush and a little bit of this number 2 shade, exactly where my crease is. I'm gonna do a little bit like this so I can take off this hard line that is right here. Getting somewhere, I think. I already have my 2 eyes almost done. I'm just gonna add some lashes, and oh my gosh, this is like my nightmare ever. Lashes, they do they do everything to me. Like, they don't paste, they make a huge mess on my eyes always. So I'm just gonna try to put them on, and whatever happens, happens. So I bought some lashes from Ada as well. I got this packet, this like kit with this glue, and I guess I'll just put it on the eyelashes and wait for it to get a little bit sticky and put it on my eye. I hope that's the way. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Oh, I forgot I had to do mine first, didn't I? I think I did. I'm going to just add mascara on my eyelashes really quick before this thing dries. I guess I just have to put this on already and finish this thing. Oh no, I'm so scared. I don't know how to do it. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Not right, but I'm doing it. I put my eyelashes on. Turns out it was very easy once I found out how to do it, you know. To finish this look, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter, a little bit of contour, and done. With this New York City palette from Artistry, the Downtown Dip one, and I'm going to use this color for the contour. Just put it here, and I'm just gonna like blend it a little bit on the other side, the other side, the other side of me, other side, onto me. And then obviously we are going to do one down here and this side, and blend it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of glitter just up here like this, a little bit on the other side, and here, and blend this side. Setting powder just to finish the look. So a little bit of setting powder everywhere, set everything in place, you know. And last but not least, a little bit of lipstick. Oh, blush. Wait, blush is missing. What was I thinking? A blush. I set everything in place, but I didn't put any blush. Very good, very good. Now we can continue with the lipstick. I feel like the one that goes the most with this look is the berry red one from the Artistry Studio, the Shanghai edition. And done. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to keep doing English videos while I'm doing my makeup or whatever thing, like and share this video and let me know in the comments what do you think about this look, about this video, about this accent of mine. And well, I'll see you later, alligator. Love you guys. Bye.